So let's go next. Zoom out, zoom in on scalable learning.
From a zoom out perspective, it's really looking ahead and saying, what would a scalable learning organization ultimately look like? If we did this at scale, how would everything change? And by the way, our belief based on the work we've done is everything changes in a scalable learning organization. How you organize, how you operate, how you do strategy, all of it's going to change. But develop some kind of sense of how big this is, and not just that it's a lot of change, but that it generates huge value. That if you really are learning at scale, you're going to create much more value for the marketplace than you could under the scalable efficiency model. So it's worth going after. And then on the zoom in side, it's finding an area of the company where you could start to implement some of the scalable learning practices and environments to help the workers learn faster in the work environment. Again, our view of learning is it's not training programs, it's encouraging them in their work environment to learn faster and drive more rapid performance improvement, and learn from those initiatives in the zoom in side as to what's really required to help the workers learn faster and track the performance to actually demonstrate that it's accelerating performance improvement, not just an expense that has to be undertaken, but generates real value for the company.